Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before we proceed with our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Current Dogelon Mars cost especially as 0 pence and $5 Dogelon Marslan records truly descending development today, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Dogelon Mars pick up bullish speed over the sort of past week, acquiring 142%, or so they sort of thought. Elon's decently intraday volume really remains at $1.078, 656,000 in an extremely significant manner. The 5 walk 2024. In this we will, for the most part, walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and essentially attempt to answer these habitually in every way that really matters, sort clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What in every way that really matters is extremely transient cost expectation for Dogelon Mars generally is Elon an excellent venture. Dogelon Mars support and opposition levels and so on in a sort of large manner. Be that as it may, prior to jumping kind of profound into the Elon specialized investigation, certainly let us especially discuss the genuinely current economic situations, which generally is genuinely critical. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a ruin of 184%, bringing the really whole cryptographic money market to $2 380 706 34 932, which is genuinely huge. The truly complete exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $222 460 527 66, or so they thought. Bitcoin shares 52.4% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33%, showing that Bitcoin shares 52.4% of the entry market, while Ethereum most certainly has a predominance of 16.33%, which especially is very huge, which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $62 801.76 level after a decay of 571% in an unpretentious manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part has seen a value decline of 0.9% coming to $3 559.78 during the past 24 hours in a sort of large manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $401.59, following a value change of 321% within a similar time period, which is very huge. Sol, the kind of local coin of Solana generally, is up by 146 and presently exchanging at $132.35, which generally is very critical. Furthermore, XRP came to $61 subsequent to seeing a decay of 596% in esteem, or so they most certainly thought. These occasions especially show that the market in a real sense is going in a descending bearing for extremely present moment, or so they generally thought. As of now, a sort of broad, genuinely regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dogelon Mars execution, the genuinely day-to-day outline of Dogelon Mars really shows that the Elon cost generally has a sort of descending development with a 251% decline in certainly beyond 24 hours in opposition to prevalent thinking. The value worth of the Dogelon Mars Elon coin by and large is remaining at $9.5 with market capitalization $136 963 872 as US in a huge manner. Elon cost changes 142% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume in a real sense is drifting around $1.078 656 EZS, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Who are the originators behind Dogelon Mars, which in a real sense is very critical? Very much like sort of is the situation for its in every practical sense, more noticeable and all things considered, more settled cousins. The pioneers behind this really specific canine coin fundamentally are obscure, which for the most part is genuinely huge. That especially is an all-around extremely normal event for image coins, and financial backers explicitly are very much encouraged, especially because of genuinely an expected level of effort with mostly secret coins to sort of try not to succumb to malevolent practices like carpet pulls and leave tricks. So Elon truly has been available for most certainly a while, making the probability of the coin being a trick generally little, which basically shows that market examination over the especially last 24 hours there in a real sense was a destruction of 184%, bringing the essentially whole digital money Market to $2 380 706 34 932 in a sort of significant manner. What truly makes Dogelon Mars special, or so they generally thought. Dogelon Mars really utilizes a clever, essentially comic story of Dogelon, the canine giving the coin its name, as a foundation for its coin in every practical sense. Further appearance how Sol, the very local coin of Solana, explicitly is up by 146 and right now exchanging at $132.35 in a kind of significant manner. Dogelon investigates the best secrets of the universe and looks to recolonize the planet he once considered home with the assistance of the companions he's made during his in every practical sense goes through the stars. By and large, a few sort of short comics especially are distributed on the coin site that in every way that really matters follow. Dogelon on his undertakings to Mars, where he generally meets companions and goes on experiences, showing how various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum certainly has seen a value lessening of 0.9% coming to $3,559.78 during the past 24 hours, which basically is very huge. Dogelon Mars doesn't have a guide essentially, yet rather fostered a dream variant through its comics, certainly further appearance how that really is to some degree a sort of normal event for image coins and financial backers for the most part are very much instructed because of sort concerning a reasonable level of investment with semi-secret coins to in a real sense try not to succumb to malevolent practices like floor covering pools and leave tricks. So elon certainly has been available for extremely a while, making the probability of the coin being a trick moderately little, which in every practical sense shows that market examination over the by and large last 24 hours there generally was a ruin of 184%, bringing the very whole digital money market to $2 380 706 34 932, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. After the recolonization of Mars in 2040-20, Dogelon will essentially need to battle for pretty endurance against the annihilators in every practical sense. Further appearance how Elon's sort of intraday volume in every practical sense remains at $1.78 656, which explicitly is genuinely critical. This fantasized rendition recommends that once the coin truly is recorded on all exceptionally significant trades, the cost of Elon will essentially reach Mars, or in sort of different words, it will exchange at an especially much for the most part higher valuation, which sort of shows that Dogelon Mars pick up bullish speed over the precise past week acquiring 142%, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Notwithstanding, annihilators, by which the instability of the crypto markets could in every way that really matters be implied, will be an issue the local area will explicitly need to battle against, which basically is genuinely huge. Practically speaking, Elon generally is an image coin without much utility past getting it and holding it in a wallet like MetaMask, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Notwithstanding, taking into account it generally has a powerful mix of actually a few extremely memorable credits in its title. Elon Musk, Doge, Moomers, Dogelon Mars could in a real sense like quickly if the truly by and large